Today we're gonna cook Enrico style.
What Enrico's going to cooking?
Crazy salad.
Oh, and which ingredient we need, Enrico?
We need salad,
Yeah,
cucumber,
yeah.
half carrot, raspberries, strawberries, onion, and squeeze some lemon.
Oh, and
This ball, that's Italiano.
okay, and okay. Can you start, Master Chef Enrico? Okay, I help you.
Okay.
Okay, our first thing.
Salad.
Okay,
First, will you put the salad in?
yeah. And now, bravo.
And now,
We start to cut.
the cucumber.
Yeah, well done. Now cut all cucumber, Enrico. You like cooking, Enrico?
Yes.
Okay. Now Enrico will show you how cut the cucumber. Now show how do you cut the carrots. Do you want to say something about vegetable for bambini? Are they very good?
The vegetables are very good for kids.
Very nice. Now, when Enrico going to cut something else, I show you, okay? Okay, Enrico, he cut already all cucumber. Now?
We put it in.
Okay. Well done, Enrico. Enrico is master chef. And now, next step, which one is Enrico?
Cut the carrot.
Okay. Watch your finger. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, well done. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now Enrico going to cut all the carrots in this side. Allora, we put in as well? Oh, fantastico. E qual è la prossima? The next one?
The raspberries.
Okay.
We cut the raspberries in half.
Oh, delicious.
And make sure they juicy raspberries.
Oh.
Or they not crazy.
E you gonna start the school? Don't fa niente, don't worry. It's happen the people to the people working. Don't worry. Okie dokie. And now the next
It's strawberries.
strawberries.
You need to use 4.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, fantastico. Okay. Well, when Enrico finished to cut all strawberries, we show you the next. Okay?
Okay.
You want to say something to the people?
That.
Okay, that. Ciao. Okay, Enrico is finished cut the strawberry. Wow, look what amazing salad, crazy salad is this. Well done, Enrico.
And now you put onion.
Yeah, not all that onion, some. Which one is your superior favorite? You have someone?
Spider-Man.
Oh,
No, Chefman.
chef man.
He's made up.
Okay.
Because the superhero Chefman is me.
Yeah, I think yes. One more. And now is the time for the lemon juice. Okay.
Now you squeeze some lemon juice.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Left and right. Oh, it's enough, I think. Wow, Enrico, well done. Eh? And now, juice inside. This is a very important part, Master Chef.
Yes.
Okay. Put close to you. Okie dokie. Well done.
Now salt.
Yeah.
Now you put some sea salt in.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well done. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website, cookingwithanitalian.com.
Now we're gonna use some pepper. Make sure not to smell.
Okay, because what's happened if you
Sneeze.
smell?
You sneeze.
Yes, yes. Oh, well done, Enrico. And now some olive oil, not a lot. This is from where is this olive oil, Enrico?
Italy.
Well done. And now we're gonna mix everything. I'll give you one cucchiaio, mix everything. Piano piano. Oh, Well done. Guys, this crazy salad look absolutely delicious.
Well done.
It's finished. Oh,
Now it's testing time.
now it's testing time. Okay. Wow, look there.
Buonissimo.
Oh, okay. It's absolutely delicious.
Yes.
Ah, try, show me.
No, get the spoon.
Aspetta. Oh, I have to try it. Mmm. 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 Capo, it's a masterpiece. Wow, it's very nice, Enrico. It's very nice, Enrico. Okay. Anyway, guys, the crazy salad.
It's this.
If you like.
Finger up and follow us. Ciao.
Ciao.